Oh yeah, you gonna say that again? Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah? Are you gonna smile for your old man? You gonna smile for your old man? Yeah? Oh. You are so beautiful. I love you so much. Oh, you are looking right at me and not at the camera. Hi, little guy. Hey, little man. Oh, are you having a good time on the changing table? Are you excited about getting your diaper changed? Oh, you are. Oh, man, you are. Oh, what's going on, little man? Now what are you looking at? Oh. There's more twitching, and boy, all those noises are really amazing. He wasn't doing them like that last week. You weren't doing it quite like that last week, were you, buddy? No, you weren't. You were just... Yeah? Oh, boy, are you gonna smile again for your old man? Oh, you are. Look at that. Look at that. Just a little more smile for your old man. Oh, boy. Oh, yeah. Oh. Looking at the stuff and twitching around. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. Oh, man. Listen to all the noise you're making. This is all really great. I love all the noise you're making. Oh, yeah. Hey, little man. Oh, I love you. Okay. Hey, Max, I'm gonna go turn the camera off. Can you say goodbye to all the people? Oh man, you are being so cute on this table. You like this table, don't you? He likes the light. He very much likes the light. Yes, Max. Oh, my little guy. My special little guy. My special little guy. I'm just gonna videotape you until you stop being cute. That's the rule. When you stop being cute, I turn the camera off. Oh, yeah. Let's talk some more. What else do you think? Yeah. Yeah. Boy, you didn't make these kinds of sounds when I saw you last. This is pretty neat. Yeah. Okay, buddy. Can you give me one last smile, little guy? Can you give me one last smile, little guy? Just one last smile. Just one last smile, and then we'll change your diaper. Just one last little smile. Come on, little guy. Just one last little smile. Hey, Max. Hey, Max. Max. little bit. Goodbye, little buddy.